Hi guys, tara, unbox tayo. Shinyan Byren Studio, Naruto Shippuden, Jiraiya. Medyo napatagal din yung pag-release na to, gawa nung nagkaroon ng some delays sa mismong studio. Alright, so here's a quick look on the art box of our figure. Sa art box, meron din siyang quick description of our character. Okay, unbox na natin para ma-assemble yung figure. For the packaging itself, I can say na secure yung item since meron din siyang strap para ma-hold in place yung mismong casing niya. Here's a quick look on the resin parts. Medyo marami-rami pala. First is the base. Ang angas oh. Next is the main body of Jiraiya. Okay, so proceed na natin i-assemble. There are a few things that I noticed while assembling the figure. One of those is some of the effects, hindi ganun ka-strong yung magnet. Sakto lang. Next is a factory defect wherein one of the Rasengan effect doesn't have a magnet. Alright, our figure is now complete. The figure itself is anime accurate. Ang angas nung mismong detailing niya, kuwang-kuwa. In my own opinion, I think mas maangas to kung meron tong deluxe edition na merong light effect yung Rasengan. The overall paint quality is really amazing. Ang ganda nung brush effect dun sa tubig, as well dun sa mismong Rasengan effect niya. Ang ganda rin. Yung sa diorama based selection, ang ganda. This was inspired on the Pain arc wherein umatak si Jiraiya dun sa location ni Pain. And sadly, dito siya natigok. For me, the overall likeliness of this resin figure is 100%. So again, here's our Shinyan Byren Studio Jiraiya.